be a single and a double kind of line that's been ground, etched into it, just so it's there forever, because we talked about painting, but it'd probably come off and stickers wouldn't work. So that's the idea, is you've got a single and a double. And you have to look on these, and you'll see one of them, this one, has a single and a double. That doesn't have anything. So this is the one we start with. And what you must remember is not, especially on a sandy beach, is not to put these the other way around so you get grit all over the ferrules. There's only one way around that it goes. So here's a double one. There's a double stripe. This is going to be the top of the trolley, and this is obviously the wheel at the bottom. So the way this has to go is these line up, so this foot will go down. So basically the holes will line up like that. And you've got a little spring bolt that is just spring loaded, yeah? And you push that through there, put it on the other side, and flick it over. This would be the wrong way because the foot's going away. It needs to go to the floor. So we make sure that the holes line up, so this is going to go down and pull, flicked on. This bit is a bit tricky, could be a two-person job because it's quite heavy. Line it up. And drop it down. You might need a same thing. And the other side. Push it through. Okay, so now we're ready to flip it onto this wheel. So I'm going to use the slope of the beach. These are clipped in, so you can just kick it down. Kick it down. So these little rings go on the outside, and that you can see is trapped. There you go. We talked about making these gaps bigger, but they said no, strength. So that is it. We did have some little bits of Velcro that go over the top, so when you're trying to lift it, it doesn't lift out of the harness. But with the weight of the Dolphin in it, I think it'll be something that just gets lost in the ocean somewhere. You try and flick it like that so it's clicked in.
Do it with your foot.
And the trick is, put your foot on the flat bit and keep it flat. And that's ready to go. And they've purposely made a really high axle, so if there's big rocks and whatever, we can just get it over the rocks.